What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here. We got to find the length of a rafter for a 250-inch wide building with a 712 pitch. We got a lot of information to work through here. Well, my rafter is going to be this guy right here. It goes up that slope part of the roof. We're not going to take into account any overhang or ridge thickness or anything like that, just straight up math. Now, the building is 250 inches wide, so what I really want is just half of that to create this right triangle, so that's going to be 125 inches right there. Now, I have a 712 pitch. There's a couple ways to go about this problem. And one of them is figuring out this height right here first, and then we can use a little Pythag action to get that X. I think most people like to go about it that way, so let's do it. I have 7 over 12 is equal to, I don't know my height, but I do know that my run there is 125, right? This is rise over run, that's rise over run. Now, let's cross multiply and solve this thing. We got 7 times 125 is 875. Then I'm going to divide by 12 on both sides. And I get H equals 72.916 repeating. I'm going to leave that number in my calculator. I'm going to do a little Pythag with it. So check this out. We got 72.916 repeating squared plus 125 squared equals x squared. So let's get that all on my calculator right now. So I'm going to square that first one plus 125 squared. And now I'm going to square root it, and I'm going to get x equals 144.712, so on and so forth. Now that I'm at the very end of this problem, I can round. We can say 144.7, or my personal fave here. Let's convert this to a tape measure length, because I'm going to be using a tape measure with this, right? So I'm going to take that 0.7129582, right? I'm going to multiply that guy by 16. So I'm going to get 11.4 16ths. So my final answer here on the tape is going to be 144. And then we have 11 16ths inches total for this rafter length. Now, because it was 0.4, that's pretty close to like a half. So we're going to say like 11 16ths strong or heavy or whatever you want to do. But 144 and 11 16ths. Final answer for this rafter, and now we can take into account overhang, ridge thickness, all those dope things. I'll see you guys later.